It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Executive Officer Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, we are going to learn step by step on how to create nature images like this using Bing AI tool, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you love AI content with free prompts like this, consider to subscribe for more tutorials. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you come to the top right here, and what you need to do is to type in Bing and press enter. Then click on the first result right here, bing.com. This is going to pump out. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to come and click on join and create. Then click on sign in. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create with any email or Gmail or phone. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create one. So right here, there are different options you can use to create a free account with Microsoft. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then right here, enter your name. So after having entered your username, you come here, choose the option, is that Outlook or Hotmail? So I'm going to leave it on outlook.com. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So the email is already exist. So let me add 2024. Then Outlook, and click on next. So at this point here, we need to enter the login password. So you have to create your login password. So having entered your login password, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then click on got it. Then right here, you have to enter your first name, your last name. Then click on next. Then choose your country right here and choose your date of birth. Then choose your year. Then come down below right here, click on next. Then the security question right here. So just click on next. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand 1 of 5. Okay. Then click on submit. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So we can use this one. Then we click on submit. So the same options. So this one here, this one here. Then we click on submit. Then we can use this one right here. Okay, submit. So the very last one. So we can use this one right here. Good, submit. So verification complete. So we can click on sign in to synchronize right here. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Then click on next. Welcome back, friends. So after creating a successful account with Microsoft Bing, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you type in your prompt in this column. So I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste the prompt. You can also check the description of this video for this particular tutorial prompt. Okay, having pasted your prompt, next thing you want to do is to click on create right here. So here you have it. So we can download all this image right here. What we need to do is to just click on the image. Then we come down below here, click on download. Then we click on here to see the next image. Then we click on download. Then we click on here to see the next image. Then we click on download. We click on here to see the next image. Then we click on download. Then I'm going to click on this cross sign right here just to close the pump-up result. Then we can go back to our prompt right here and modify it. So I'm going to change from miniature dog. So I will change it to elephant. Then here, elephant. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create. And I'm going to click on here to download the image. Then I'll click on download. I'll click on here to check on the next image. And I'll click on download. I'll click on here to check the next image. And I'll click on download. I'll click on here to check the next image. Then I'll click on download. It's as simple as that. So for more AI content with prompt like this, consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.